As many of you know who are close to me, I don't cook. So one of the things that has become a challenge with living on the road is the fact that I'm not going to restaurants. And so I actually have to plan meals, which is really new and difficult for me. So I have come up with a couple of hacks, and one I'll show you. And as you can tell from my sweater and my hat, and if you can hear it, it's raining. And it's kind of cold up here, probably about 50s, I'm guessing, in temperature. So what sounds good is soup. So what I had done is I had gotten a jar of soup, and I've cut up potatoes and carrots because it's one of those healthy soups, and I'm not gonna be full from this because I had one last night and I was still hungry. So I had gotten some potatoes and some carrots, slice those up. And I'm going to, because I don't have seasonings, because why would I don't cook, I will be using the soup as my base, the juices to kind of blanch the vegetables and then I'll throw the soup in. So it makes it a little bit heartier with soup. So we'll see how that goes. All right, this should be fun. Okay, bye. Not terrible. I did have to open the vent to air the van out, but yeah, it's pretty good. We're not having seasonings or really much more than this pot, but yeah, it's progress.